This video I will explain what is Progressive Web Apps or PWA and how browsers support them. What is Progressive Web App? A Progressive Web App is a type of website that acts like a mobile app. Normally you open the websites in the browser like Chrome, Safari or Edge. But with Progressive Web Apps, the website can look and feel like a regular app you install from the App Store. You can think of progressive web apps as a blend between a website and an app. What are the key features of progressive web apps? First one is installable. You can install progressive web apps on your phone or computer directly from the browser without going to the App Store or Play Store. Second one is work offline. Many progressive web apps can still work without internet, at least for a basic task, because they store some data on your device. Third one is fast loading. They are designed to load quickly, even on slow networks. Fourth one is looks like an app. Once installed, a progressive web app has its own icon and opens in a separate window without the browser's address bar, just like a normal app. Fifth one is updates automatically. You don't need to update progressive web apps manually. When the website updates, the progressive web apps also updates. Now we will see the examples of progressive web apps you may already know. First one is Twitter. The website can be installed as a progressive web app. The second one is Spotify Web. Acts like an app even when opened from the browser. Next one is Pinterest, Uber, and Starbucks. All have progressive web apps for faster and lighter experience. Now we will see how do browsers support progressive web apps. Modern browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and Firefox have built-in support for progressive web apps. Here is how they help. First one is installation option. When you visit the website that support progressive web apps, the browser shows an install button. For example, in Chrome, you may see the plus sign in the address bar to install the app. The second one is offline support. Browsers allow progressive web apps to save important files like images, script, or data on your device so that the app can work without internet. Third point is push notifications. Just like mobile apps, progressive web apps can send you notification with your permission. For example, the news progressive web apps can notify you about the breaking news. Fourth point is performance boost. Browsers help progressive web apps to run faster by caching content and reducing reload times. Fifth point is cross device compatibility. The same progressive web app works on a desktop, laptop, tablet, and phone without needing a separate app for each. Here I have opened Google Chrome, and here you can see the Facebook link. Click on this, and here you can see the install button. Click on this, and to install a Facebook app, click on install. And here you can see Facebook app is successfully installed, and here you can see the progressive web app. Why progressive web apps are useful? You don't need to download progressive web apps from the App Store. They save storage space because they are lighter than full apps. They give you an app-like experience with the convenience of website. Businesses can reach more users with just one app instead of building separate app for iOS, Android, and desktop versions. Now we will see the summary. A progressive web app is a website that works and feels like a real app. It can be installed directly from the browser. It can work offline, load fast, and even send notifications. Browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Edge support progressive web apps. By letting you install them, save data offline, and receive updates automatically. In simple words, progressive web apps are the future of the apps. Lighter, faster, and easier to use because they combine the best of websites and mobile apps.